What's up, everyone? Bonus Event is here going over our February 23rd trade. Kind of a sad day. We only made 35% profits, but the execution was pretty solid. And here's the trade that we did. So we did SPY 402 calls. Was a pretty good idea, although for the most of the day it went down and then back up. But here's the trading strategy that we used. So first things first, we were looking at SPY. It was gapping up from the prior day's close. So that's why I was looking at calls in the morning. I did not quite expect a red day for anything really. And also missed out on some pretty awesome trades like getting Netflix puts. That would have been a super easy one based on the chart. But we were looking at calls. So, oops. First things first, as far as which calls though. So as we can see, this is what's happening in the pre-market. So it kind of dropped down and then starts ramping up. And so my idea here is for it to come down to this 401 area, hold that, and then reverse upwards. As you can see above, this is actually what we alerted. So the trading plan was, looking at 402 calls, but I wanted to see it drop down to 401 first and then ramp up. So as you can see, we did nothing for the first 9 minutes. So where's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And right here, when it hits 401, that's when we entered our position. Got in at 85 cents, which was pretty solid. So we did see an immediate move up here on this green candle, but I did want to hold on for a little bit longer because that's what the trading plan was. I wanted it to at least break this 401 or 402 area. Went a little bit against us, so had a little bit of drawdown, went down to like 77 cents or 75 cents, but just still within range of, a good trade. And then right here, right after 15 minutes of market open, it ramps up. We ended up selling at 650, which is right here. Oops. So this red candle. Didn't quite get the high of the day. We sold at $1.15. So the high here was $1.25 or $1.28, something like that. But pretty close. I didn't quite expect this to drop down, but I didn't like the choppy action. I wanted to see this continue upwards stronger, but it didn't. So that's why we sold. So 35% profits, which is okay. But there's a lot more money to be made on other things the rest of the day. I just wasn't looking at them. Had a little bit of bias going into the day in terms of getting on the long side or the call side, but it is what it is. Still pretty good execution on this trade. And of course, alerted this all live from our Discord. As you can see, everything is in there. The exact trading plan, strategy. You could have easily followed along, done the exact same trade that we did. And that's all I got for you today. SPY, 402 calls, bought in at 85 cents, sold at $1.15, 35% profits, which is okay. But we need to get another one of these 10 baggers going, like in some of our other videos. But tomorrow's a new day. So like, comment, subscribe, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Christian Mingle, and Tumblr. Sure. And we'll catch you on the next video.